Hello everybody, wherever you are in the YouTube world. I hope you're doing okay. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to make with this instant noodles, okay? I'm not going to use the spice that came with it. I'll show you. I don't use this because it contains too much salt for me. This one's got like 1,000. Okay, it's upside down. 1,700 milligram sodium. It's too much. So I will be adding my own salt, which already will be in the soya sauce. So I'm just going to put my noodles now in the boiling water to get soft. So I will just be boiling mine for like 2 minutes. You can do yours in the microwave oven. While my noodles is cooking to a nice soft texture, I'm going to take my cooked chicken. I cut it up nicely in small pieces. This is for like one portion. You can make it for 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, 5 people, 10 people. Okay, so I will just use what I have. I will be adding a little bit of pepper. Then I will add a drop of fish sauce. I will add a little bit of sesame oil. Just a little bit. This thing is really strong. Oopsie. Add a little bit of soya sauce because there's a lot of salt in here already. Okay. Add a little bit of garlic. You don't have to add this if you don't like. And then I'm giving it a nice stir. If you don't have the cooked chicken, you can actually use the raw chicken as well. And you add your marinade and stuff, and you let it sit for at least a few hours, 2 hours, so that the flavor can go into the chicken. I'm going to add some oil. I'm just using sunflower oil. You can use any oil that you like. I heat it up nicely, and then I'm going to add my onions and my chopped green peppers. I'm adding my onions. Cook until your onions is nice and soft. I'm adding some chopped green pepper, red pepper, You can add an optional egg. You can cook it separate, but I like to save on dishes, so I just put everything in the pan. If you're making for more people, you can use your big pan, or you can use your wok. I drained my noodles. Tiny bit of soya sauce I'm adding, and I will mix everything together to have a taste. This soya sauce has a lighter color because it is an organic soya sauce, but the other soya sauce will have a more darker color. But I'm happy because I don't want to have too much soya sauce in mine. My food is ready. So thank you for watching, everybody. You have a great day. Enjoy your meals and try something different. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye for now from Szandria.